Hey, it's Brad here with MDaemon Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication for MDaemon Webmail. So right here I am logged into MDaemon Remote Administration. So the first thing we need to do before we enable two-factor authentication is make sure that our Webmail and Remote Administration are using secure HTTPS connections. So in other words, in Remote Administration here, under the main menu, we go down to Webmail settings, and then go down to SSL and HTTPS. Make sure that you have the option to use HTTPS selected. I'm using HTTP and HTTPS, but the two-factor authentication will only work with HTTPS, so it's a secure HTTP communication connection. And that concept also applies in remote administration. So again, down here, if we go into remote admin settings, SSL and HTTPS, make sure again that HTTPS is one of the options selected here. Now to set this up in MDaemon Webmail, you go to the options menu, click on security, and then if we scroll down, you'll see a section here at the bottom for two-factor authentication. Before we can set up two-factor authentication, we need to enter our password, so I'll do that now. And then I'll click the button to set up two-factor authentication. So now the next thing we need to do is use Google Authenticator, which you can download to your mobile device to connect your device to your webmail. So the first thing we do is we pull up Google Authenticator on the mobile device, which I have here. And then we simply select the Begin Setup option. And you can either scan the barcode or manually enter a code on your screen. So I'm going to scan the barcode using my camera. Okay. Now I'm going to enter the verification code that showed up on my screen. And then we'll click Verify Pairing. And that's it. We have successfully paired Google Authenticator and enabled two-factor authentication. So now let's test this out. I'm going to log out of Webmail. And now I'm going to log back in. And then I'm prompted to enter the verification code, which I can get from my phone from the Google Authenticator app. And that's it. Very easy to use.